I would like to thank the 6 guys that made 2024 a good year. Nick Miller, Sean Risley, Bill Pletcher, Eric Kohler, Bujar Tajani, Micah Gabala, hell, Ralph Santos, the team of the Homersexuals, for their commitment and patience in making this race season come together. Without the wives and family of our teammates, we couldn't get this done either. So I do want to thank Elizabeth, Stacy, Bill's wife Ann, my wife Anna, for being with us at almost every race, making sure we ate, making sure we drank water, making sure we didn't get too angry, and just making sure that we didn't do anything stupid. Hopes and Dreams Racing is based in Blakesley, PA and Chicopee, Massachusetts. We are looking for teammates in the Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts area, or those willing to travel to the garages on weekends to work on the cars, pack, prep for race weekends, and maintain the vehicles in between. Throughout the years, we've had a range of drivers with skills from first-timers to seasoned Lemons veterans. We are a mid-pack Class C team who strives to have fun and bring our car home at the end of every race. Due to the nature of the beast, the only way our team is able to race is by filling both cars. In doing so, we are constrained to a mid-pack finish. Typically, driver rotations are hourly, ensuring all have a turn in the car. Again, we are here to have fun and come home in one piece with some kick-ass memories. Friends, pets, and feral children are all welcome. We love a big support system and a cheering section in the stands. Here's the short and sweet version. The commitment for a teammate runs from January to October. We have a 10-month payment structure that works out to be lower than if you were an arrive and drive at each of the races. What this guarantees is that a prepped car is transported to each of the 24 Hours of Lemons Northeast races. All fees paid minus the Lemons license, which we can't do for you. The test and tune and fuel are handled with these dues. At this time, we are not looking for arrive and drives. We are not looking for a mixed roster. They will be announced, if available, closer to race time. We also compete in other events throughout the year, such as hill climbs, bracket GPs, and track nights. Being a full-time member allows the use of the car for these or other events you may be interested in between races. If you are interested in joining the team and want more details, email me at hopesandDreamsRacingInc@gmail.com with your questions and a phone number I can get back to you at. This year, we are running 2 cars, and we'll get to that at the end of the video. Our number 1 car is the 181 Subaru Impreza 2.5 liter 5-speed all-wheel drive Class C car. If you're watching this video and you're noticing that a lot of the cars are passing us, that's because we're not competitive. I hate to tell you, we're middle of the pack. In our class, maybe 46th, 50th overall. If you cannot drive manual, that's fine. We'll put you in the second car. Why so many teammates? Well, this isn't our retirement, and the only way we can financially do this is to pack our cars. Which means, although the car might be capable of a B or A class, we have to put a new driver in every hour and a half. I was hoping this would be a surprise. In 2024, we tried to race a second vehicle, an identical 1996 Subaru Impreza, but an automatic, so that arrive and drives and wives and people who couldn't drive stick could also race. An entry-level vehicle that all our spares would match our original vehicle. We never did get the second car to run at any of the races. Although we did bring it to Jersey, we didn't get it started. Got it close. This year, we decided to throw that all out the window and do what every other team does, get a completely different vehicle. If you don't know, there's been a couple hurricanes in Florida and North Carolina, and we were able to buy this 2013 Chevy Camaro. It's automatic with flappy little paddles. It's got a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder motor. It's got a 19-gallon tank, and we're bringing it to every race. Why you ruin classic? Or $500 my ass. You would not be wrong about that second part, but not far off. Like I said, they had a lot of cars, over 1 million in Florida, that they needed to get off their lots, and they needed to get them off quick. Put it this way, the Copart fees were more than the car. Either way, we understand we're going to be in A-class with this car. Hopefully we can keep the penalty laps down to none, and that will require a really good theme. So we're going to need a lot of help to make that happen, and hopefully you will join us for that. For everybody else, I know this car is going to piss you off, but it's yellow and it looks like a lemon.
What's it smell like in there?
Axe.
Man whore.
Man whore.